With first-hand knowledge of its market, CleanLink Software Limited develops and sells business management software primarily for the contract cleaning sector.
I was running a contract cleaning business in London, and I got to the stage where I couldn't manage it with paper. We're talking now back in 1976, and computers were very scarce, and I searched for a program and couldn't find anything. I developed my own and helped me get over that wall of managing multiple sites to know exactly where I was in profitability and which ones were delivering the goods and not. From there, I developed it as an actual product. When I started selling CleanLink to other contract cleaning companies, I visited well over 100, and every one had hit a wall where they were trying to get the figures they wanted from their own spreadsheets and pieces of paper. I could produce this information, allowing them to do their everyday management quicker and more efficiently, which allowed them to expand.
CleanLink software is quite a comprehensive package of functionality that basically meets the needs of contract cleaning companies who not only have to manage large numbers of staff, but those staff are working at a variety of sites and they're doing lots of different jobs. So it's lots of little packages of work that have to be monitored, they have to be delivered, the staff have to be paid, all the materials and supplies have to be on site, and also the clients have to be invoiced, and all of that needs to be done with profit. Our software is one of the only packages that can do all of that with a single installation.
Its first sale was in 1996 and CleanLink was incorporated a decade later. Today, over 150 businesses, large and small, like Buller's Cleaning Services in North Yorkshire, use CleanLink's technology to process around 1 million payroll calculations and 750,000 invoices each year.
Our unique selling point really is our software is truly integrated. We are the only UK-based HMRC-approved payroll provider that we've developed our own software, but it works on a site-by-site basis. You can manage your contract data centrally, make that available to your managers via our award-winning mobile app. The managers can produce things like audits and stock orders. Those can be made available to your clients via our web-based portal minutes later.
It's very, very useful for us. It means that we have the reliability that is required to deliver the service effectively and efficiently to the clients. We'd reached effectively a semi-plateau where it wasn't really possible to take on multiple clients in a variety of situations across the board. We would have needed a lot more administration staff. So the CleanLink function enabled us to actually develop and move forwards from there. We were turning over approximately £6 million a year. We're now turning over 17.5 million.
Within the last year, we've taken over 8,500 calls because we've got a relatively small support team and we go out and do training. The customers have that knowledge of who they're speaking to. That is a huge benefit that we're able to have that kind of ongoing rapport and support with them.
We've had a good, steady growth rate, but it's been done without the need to borrow money. We do invest a lot of our profit. In fact, most of our profit goes into development.
We listen to our customers and we will incorporate their ideas in our software if we think it will be beneficial for everybody.
All of our staff work from home. We've invested in internet infrastructure that enables them to keep in contact. It allows people a really good working lifestyle, but it also saves quite a significant amount of money that we can obviously plough back into the business in a more effective way.
Ever evolving, CleanLink is keen to remain at the cutting edge of technology.
We've been developing our web products, our cloud-based products, and that transitions our customers away from having to manage their own hardware and their own networks. Software as a service, from a client's perspective, couldn't be any easier. Just log on at any time you want, use the software, and it's there up and running for you. From our perspective, it's really rewarding to see a client's capability grow.